This video presents a novel deep reinforcement learning-based policy for semantics-aware information path planning. Our end-to-end method explores an unknown environment and conducts a visual inspection of objects of interest referred to as semantics. The framework ensures safe navigation by relying solely on local scene information without prior semantic knowledge. At each step, the camera provides a depth image and a segmentation mask, which are combined into a mask depth image. To enhance sim-to-real transfer, noise and invalid pixels are added. The observation also includes the robot's state and two local maps, occupancy and spatial visit score, along with the agent's previous action. These inputs are processed through encoders combined with the agent's state and passed through MLP and memory block. The network outputs 3D velocity and yaw rate commands for the drone. Rewards are assigned at each state transition. Inspecting more of the semantic mesh faces yields a positive reward. Exploration is encouraged based on the number of visits within the local map, while proximity to obstacles results in a collision penalty. We validate our proposed method through real-world experiments. In the first experiment, the robot performs a semantics-aware exploration of the environment, completing a full visual inspection of the target object, here a spherical light chamber. Upon locating the object, the robot maximizes surface coverage while safely navigating around it. On the right side of the video, we display the onboard RGB image used for semantic detection, along with the network observations, the semantic depth image, the spatial score map, and the occupancy map. In the left corner, we show a top-down view of the mission and a surface coverage plot obtained through post-processing of the semantic mesh. The robot, constrained to a maximum velocity of 0.5 meter per second for good visual inspection properties of the RGB image, completes the mission within 4 minutes, achieving nearly 100% surface coverage of the 28 square meter target object. In the second experiment, the robot performs a multi-semantic inspection mission in an industrial environment. The agent is tasked with identifying and inspecting a predefined set of objects: a red T-shaped pipe, a blue chemical barrel, and a yellow refinery hydrant. The policy ensures collision-free inspection, with the agents carefully navigating around obstacles while maximizing the visible surface area of each semantic object. A time threshold mechanism is employed to transition between inspection targets, shifting focus from the pipe to the barrel and finally to the hydrant in sequence. On the left side of the video, we present plots showing the visible surface coverage for each semantic object, illustrating the agent's real-time progress as it moves through the environment and performs inspections. Thank you.